Alright, boys and girls, we are here again. Gordon Guitar, welcome everybody. LANY, act my age. Not the easiest sometimes to act your age. Sometimes you're older, and many times you are younger than you actually are. Anyway, let's go into this beautiful song here from LANY. We have a setup here, capo on the first fret, and with that we have different chords like four, I think. Yes, four chords. So let's check them out. Let's start with C. That will be third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have G as well. That goes third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We also got the GB. And that goes second A, open D, open G, third B. You can go with the open high E, or if you want to, you can go with the third E. Okay, so it's up to you what you want to do with that last E string. You can go with that 30 as well from the actual G chord. And then finally we have the A minor 7. And that will be open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Let's look into the strumming here. So we grab the C, that's the first chord, and one string round sounds like this. Okay, so I play with the clap here to like emphasize the rhythm going on here. So you're gonna play down, down, clap, then 3 downs, and then clap down. That's it. It's a pretty long one, but anyway, down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down. That's one round. A couple rounds goes like this. Let's start with the first verse now. You're just gonna alternate C, one string around, and then G, one string around. You do that for 4 times, and that is the first verse. And yes, like this. Okay, that was 2. You're gonna double up for 4, and that is the first verse into the first chorus now, 33 seconds in. And I bleach my hair. That's what he sings about in the lyrics. So what you're gonna play here now is a total of 3 rounds, 3 chord progression rounds. The first 2 rounds are played C, 1, GB, 1, A minor 7, 1, and back to GB, 1. So the first 2 rounds play like this. The third and final round, you're going to play just a different ending. You have the C1, the GB1, A minor 7, 1. And instead of going to the GB1, you're going to go to G1. So I'm going to play round number 2 and round number 3 for you, so you have both versions there. Let's do it. C. Okay, so that is the first chorus. Then go back to the second verse. And what you're going to do here is to start in the same way. You play C1, G1, but only for 2 rounds. Okay, only 2 rounds here. And then after that, a second round, you're going to go into a third and final round here in the verse. You're going to play C1, GB1, A minor 7, 1, and G1. In the same way as you ended this first chorus. That is what you're going to do for 1 round. So total of 3 rounds here in this second verse, and that's it. Over now to this second chorus, just repetition, no changes there. 2 rounds of C, GB, A minor, GB, and the third round is C, GB, A minor, and G. After that comes the instrumental part. We hit that 2 minutes and 20-second mark, I believe. So what you're going to do here is to play C1, GB1, A minor 7, 1, GB1. and then C1, GB1, A minor 7, 1, and G1. So 2 rounds in total, GB in the end on the first round, G in the end on the second round. And then we're gonna go into this final part of the song here. That is to play just a third chorus, and that is just repetition of the previous ones. And that's it, my friends. LANY's Act My Age. Great song, great title. Hope you enjoyed this, guys. Till next time, play tuned.